Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video I'll show you how to disable vibration for text message alerts on iPhone. But before I continue this video, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Well, firstly, go to your settings on your phone. And now you just have to tap on the sounds and haptic here at the second section. I'm gonna tap it right now. And now at the fourth section, in sounds and vibration patterns, you will see text tone. Just tap on it. Here at the first, you will see vibration option. Just go ahead now. After, at the bottom, you will see none option. And here, I'm gonna tap it right now. And yeah, to save it, you just have to go back by tap on the text tone at the top left here. And yeah, you will see here my vibration is none. So guys, I think it's enough. Just it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will help you. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon in the next one, and good luck.